for Smart TV. Over here I have Sony's Internet TV. It's a standalone TV with Google TV built right in. And we'll bring up the Google TV search bar just to show you that we are running the TV on. Over here I have the Logitech Review. It's a companion box that you can just plug in any existing high-definition television to have the Google TV experience. And I actually have it plugged in. If you want to get comfortable in my pseudo living room here, we can do a little demo. So it's very common these days for people to just sit in their living room watching their favorite PBS content and have a notebook on their lap and search the internet, log into Facebook or the news or whatever. But at Intel we say technology is about innovation and integration, and we try to integrate new features wherever it makes sense. And that's what Smart TV is about, is taking these new features and integrating it into. So we are watching our favorite PBS content, but with one touch a button, I can actually log into Facebook, just like that. And you know what's cool is if I wanted to actually continue to watch my television, I can put it in something called dual view. So I can go and switch and put it, and now I can watch and listen to my TV while I'm actually continuing to surf the internet.
And then bring them back.
So I'm on Facebook and I see a gaming friend of mine, David. You might have met him earlier. And I see he put some gameplay video, his Unstoppable Force, and we actually can go and play that video right out of Facebook. We'll close the TV so we can hear it. And I can already see he's in a pretty bad position. He's going to get killed here pretty fast. I think a bunch of people are going to make fun of him there. And you know, actually somebody's trying to, I think David's trying to send me an IM. You know, this is just pointing out you can do all the things you normally do on the internet. This is the full Facebook experience. And he says he's got something to tell me about Project X and that he wants to do a video conference. So it sounds kind of urgent, and we'll get to him in a second when we go over to Workstation. So we'll just close that. And the other thing I noticed on here is he says something about an HD StarCraft, and I don't know who or what that is. So the beauty of Google TV is that I can actually, with one button, bring up the search box, and I can type in HD StarCraft and search the web, and go here and see what that is. And it looks like he's some sort of gameplay commentary, sort of like the modern day Howard Cosell of gameplay. Some of you younger guys might have to look up Howard Cosell. And you know, and with one click of the button, I can go back to the TV. So you see how familiar and natural this experience is, and I can go and search for a wide variety of video and content. That's all because it's powered by the Intel architecture solution that we've developed for this market segment. So this is Smart TV. It sounded like we had an urgent video conference. So I'm going to go over to my second generation core processor workstation I have here on stage and bring up a video conference. And it sounded like it was about Project X, so it might be somewhat confidential. Hi guys, David, what was so urgent that you had to break into Paul's keynote here?
Oh, sorry, it was actually Shashi's fault. He actually told me that he had some update on Project X and that he would share it with us if we could keep it secret. So I set this encrypted multi-party video conference using a software for video. And this is actually the first time I think we've shown encrypted video conferencing in a public environment.
Oh yeah, so I can see that it's encrypted here, and I just want to take a moment to explain our setup on stage so we know what's going on and why this is actually pretty amazing. David and Sashi are at a remote location, but they're both using second generation core processors, just like I have up on stage. We have an all-in-one system here, we have a workstation here, and our laptop, all with full vPro capabilities, including the client-side AES-NI support that we're highlighting here. And just to recap what AES-NI is, AES is an encryption standard that's widely used for things like database encryption, banking, and SSL transactions, but security is important to Intel, so we've introduced some new instructions, the AES-NI, with our Westmere generation of Xeon products, and numerous software vendors, including Microsoft, Citrix, Parallels, and Video here have been optimizing their applications for it and seeing up to 10x, yes, 10x performance capabilities on their encryption elements. And here we're highlighting specifically Video was able to take a high definition video conference and encrypt it. Specifically, we're using 256 bits of encryption on a live stream. Now, I know we talked about the clients, but the heart of all this is the server here. And David, can you just tell us what's going on that server and what's special about it?
Sure, yeah. The server is actually encrypting and optimizing each of the video streams for the best video conferencing experience. And to do this, the server has to decrypt and encrypt all 3 video streams with very low latency. It's amazing, right? And by the way, the server we are using is a Romy platform, which is our next generation Xeon processor with 2 sockets and 8 cores, each with HT enabled, giving you a grand total of 32 threads of computing power. This is the world's first public showing of this platform since it booted about a month ago and is on schedule for production in the second half of 2011.
Wow, 32 threads in a 2-socket solution. That's pretty amazing. Now, I know this is all pretty cool and this is about the video conference, but we actually interrupted this for some breaking news from the labs. Sashi, you have some news from the labs. Tell us about it.
Hi, Paul. I was just pinging Art about Project X. I can see that this video conference is secure, so I feel comfortable showing you a working demo, but I got to ask you first. Is there anyone else on your side?
No, there's nobody here.
Yeah, I think it's okay. Great.
Great. As you know, Intel wireless display has been a really popular feature on core branded laptops in the market today. And as you know, we've been working on future implementations, and we have something that we just got working today that I really want to show you. This is concentrated awesome. It is an Intel development tablet with an Atom processor in it, and we've modified it so that it can stream to an existing wide-eye TV adapter. Now, this is the first time that you're going to see Intel wireless display on a tablet and an Atom system. So I saw David's video that he just posted about his unstoppable army of weak sauce, and I couldn't let it go. So I just had to make my own version, and I was just about to show the guys in the lab here my favorite part. So as you can see, I have my desktop on my tablet displaying on the big screen TV. Now what's cool about this is that I can show anything on the TV that's also on my LCD, anything that the tablet can play. So let me just bring up the video here.
Strategize. See here, your army just got mowed down by the Protoss Colossi, whatever. Oh look, the Void Rays are having a turn now too. Kiss your army goodbye. Game over, man, game over.
Oh, David, that's
Hey, those Minotaur,
But Sashi, that's very cool. That was all happening wirelessly from the tablet.
Yep, wirelessly, no wires. Remember, you saw it here first. Not just David's defeat, but wireless display on an Atom-based tablet. Now this is a technology demo, but you can expect a lot more great things to come out of wireless display in the near future.
Very cool.
Thanks, Sash. Thanks, David.
So Paul, this is just a few examples of how Intel is working to enhance the computing experience across the continuum.
Thanks, Art.